Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add home button on iPhone screen. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on settings and scroll down, tap on accessibility. Okay, then scroll down, click on touch option and tap on AssistiveTouch. Just click and AssistiveTouch open to add home button on iPhone screen. Okay, then back. This button is home button. Just tap button and all option. That's all to add home button on iPhone screen. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.